How to update your Instagram account with new features. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can update our Instagram account with new features. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. In order to update your Instagram account with new features. Now, first of all, we actually don't update Instagram account. What we update is Instagram app, and all the new features will be added to our Instagram app. If you're using Android, you can go ahead and then simply launch your Google Play Store. And in the search bar, you can just go ahead and then type in Instagram. You can repeat the same steps for the App Store version as well. And if you see the update button there, it means that it requires an update. And now you can simply tap on this little update button in order to update your Instagram app to the latest version with all of the features. To see what is new in this update, you can simply go to this About section over here. And here, if you scroll down, you'll find all of the new features that is available with the new update. That's all for this video. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.